What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by. If you guys want to see this finished look, stay tuned. I do a voiceover and explain step by step. So
alright, let's get started with the voiceover.
I always use like the knuckles, even though my hands are clean and my face is clean.
So what I did is I applied the L'Oreal Mercier primer, and now I'm going to go ahead and just decide on which, I believe, foundation or tinted moisturizer I'm going to use. So yeah, I'm just really focusing here. Come on, girl. Alright, so this is the L'Oreal True Match Nude, and I'll have it in the description. Oh, yep, just spilled some, see?
Simple. Why you need a pump? Just order one off of Amazon.
So this is where I say blush instead of brush, and obviously you guys, if you know, I have my favorite. So I'm just explaining how I do like the formula compared to for Physician formula, which they don't make anymore, but I am showing here where I like the obvious what it's doing to my complexion and how light it feels. So I'm just blending that in with my Believe Beauty brush, blending brush by 𝓥𝓵𝓬𝓿. Yes, it's by Believe Beauty. So I'm just, doing what I'm supposed to. Yep, there you go. We're looking pretty, girl. We're looking pretty. So here I'm like, I'm trying to contour. I have like a different few products. I switched it up and used the one I bought from Dollar Tree. Actually, they were selling Milani, and I got this one in the shade, I don't remember, I'll just put it down in the description. And so I'll go ahead and blend that in. Yes, I know I need to clean my blending sponge, but this is the technique where you can mix it up if you use both, but specifically to blend it in, make it natural glow, this is where I like to use my sponges, my beauty blender sponges, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, I'm using what is that brand? Alright, so yeah, I'm using a different I think this is Elf's blending sponge, and then just blending that all in, trying to do the best I can here. It gets better, you guys. Just wait it out for me. This is Rare Beauty by 𝓒𝓵𝓮𝓴's blush. I know it's gonna look crazy. It's gonna look crazy, but just, yeah, see, I'm like, whoa. Girl, get yourself together now. Yeah, hold on a minute, I said. Alright, so this is where I get my concealer, and I'll get another one, and this is lighter. It's by Fenty by Rihanna, and I'm just blending them both in. One's a little bit lighter than the other. The other one was, I think, Maybelline. Alright, go ahead, girl. Yeah, good, looks good. Now I use the L'Oreal setting powder for this. I mean, I have so many, I just don't know. So would you stop, girl? Stop. Anyways, so I just have so many, so I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna use this. It's light, it's got like a silky texture, and haven't used it in a little while, so I was like, why not? That's what you see me doing here. I'm too much, so dramatic. Alright, get that up, brush that off, girl, brush that off, come on. Alright, that's by Milani. That one. Yeah, okay, girl, hurry up. I'm taking up my time over here on this voiceover. Alright, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do... Jeez. I'm too much, I know. All right, concealer on the eyelids. I don't care is what I'm saying. This is just what I do, what works for me. Do what works for you. And I'm blending that in. This is my Wet n Wild. It's a very like fine tip eyebrow brush, so I'm all done there. Not too much. That was from Temu, so I'm going to use the eyeliner from Temu, which I actually do like. I really do like it. It's very, I don't know, it just has a nice formula to it, and it's very it's a felt tip pen. And then I'm going to go ahead in with the mascara along with it. If you guys haven't seen my Temu haul, it's a couple videos down. I'll probably link it in the description as well. This is Dollar Tree, y'all. I've had this for a grip, like a long time. I don't like to waste products, so like lately I've been trying to use up what I haven't opened or rarely used, because like I just have way too much makeup. So anyways, first time using it, first time trying it. I'm trying to like feel it out. I'm like, okay, it's Be Bold, it's matte liquid lipstick. I'm reading it. So yeah, that's what you see here. Feeling it out and trying to see if I like it or not. Oh, yep, okay, I don't know what that was. Thinking, pondering, contemplating. What's next? What's next, girl? Come on. Blush. All right. I know I have blush on already, but I just wanted that, you know, little pinkish girly hue. All right, y'all, so let me feel myself for a moment here. I guess that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to see what I need to do next. Okay, girl, fix your hair. Fix your hair. Fix your hair, girl. Come on now. Oh, Lord. All right. So I do. Okay, you like it? Okay, that's good. What are you doing next? Come on. Okay, you're looking at the. Okay. All right. You need some Botox. All right, that's cute. You look cute. All right, come on, girl. She been getting on my nerves. So, all right, finally, some setting spray by Benefit, and I'll spray that, and then fan that out a little bit. I always get it in my eyes. I'm so dramatic. Okay, so I'm all done. I did apply a lip liner. This was by Walgreens from like 5-6 years ago, but I really love it, and this is the finished look, you guys. This is don't mind me. I'll get it together here in 3, 2, 1. All right, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was my first voiceover in a while, and I'm feeling cute. All done. Stay tuned for the next video.